well, come back to my channel.
Today we are going to learn about I am sentence.
Let's get started.
I am a girl. I am a boy. I am a student. I am 6 years old. I am a leader. I am kind. I am strong. I am happy. I am sad. I am cry. I am a learner. I am brave. I am smart. I am creative. I am helpful. I am friendly. I am loved. I am unique. I am thoughtful. I am curious. I am funny. I am a good listener. I am honest. I am a patient. I am adventurous. I am grateful. I am a good friend. I am confident. I am important. I am playing. I am sit. I am stand. I am eat. I am right. I am sing. I am dance. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more kids learning videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.